The ruble has strengthened for 13 of the past 14 trading sessions, and it's gotten back just about all of its decline, 33% decline. What does that actually mean?
Yeah, I mean, that's a really, big head scratcher out there in the market. I think part of it is that they've really just curtailed who can actually trade ruble in the market right now. You're not seeing large liquid flows. You're not seeing clean markets. It's a very constrained market, so I wouldn't read much into it other than the fact that they've just really dampened, capital account and current account flows, and it's making it, normal, regular trading in ruble for market practitioners like ourselves very difficult right now.
Very quickly, Erin, is stagflation off the table, or is it a realistic proposition?
By technical terms, if you're calling stagflation, inflation persistently above the Fed's target and negative growth, then I think for the foreseeable future, at least for the next 12 to 18 months, I don't think that we'll see stagflation. But certainly there's wisps of stagflation given the very high inflation that we're running right now and the lower growth.
Erin, thank you so much for joining us. Erin Brown, the multi-asset strategies portfolio manager at Ymca. Her take on the markets there. This is Bloomberg.
A couple of key highlights. Micron posted a rosy forecast. Bank of China sees the fastest annual profit growth since 2013, and Lululemon surged after providing an optimistic sales outlook.
Breaking news first. War in Ukraine.
Ukraine is looking for a ceasefire agreement in talks with Russian negotiators.
For the first time, a constructive tone out of both Russia and Ukraine.
The Russians saying we're going to cut back some of the deployments around the capital.
President Biden is clarifying his remarks on Vladimir Putin.
I was expressing my outrage at the behavior of this man.
For the latest headlines and the effect on the market, stay with Bloomberg 1130, the Bloomberg Business app, and BloombergRadio.com.
Everyone seems to be going electric, and Hudson Hyundai has a huge selection of all new electric Hyundais in stock for you. Tier 1 customers can drive a new car with just $68 down, like a new all-electric Hyundai Ioniq 5, or the all-new electric Hyundai Kona, only $68 down. Even a new Genesis GV70 or Genesis GV80, just $68 down. That's it. A brand new Hyundai or Genesis, only $68 down. Drive a new car home today. Call 800-599-0782. That's 800-599-0782. And all new Hyundais and Genesis come with a 10-year, 100,000-mile powertrain warranty. Call Hudson Hyundai at 800-599-0782. That's 800-599-0782. Or visit us online at HudsonHyundai.com. Payments will vary. Credit severity affects approval. See dealer for details.
The Bloomberg Wealth Summit returns for a second year on April 7th. We will gather executives from Bridgewater, the Carlyle Group, Goldman Sachs, Blackstone, and many more to discuss the challenges of developing investment strategies against the backdrop of the ongoing global pandemic. Founding sponsor, BNY Mellon Wealth Management. Presenting sponsors, Grayscale and LinkedIn Sales Solutions. Register at BloombergLive.com/BloombergWealth/radio.
This is Emily Chang, inviting you to join me for Bloomberg Technology, a new daily podcast focusing exclusively on technology, innovation, and the future of business. We'll bring you the latest headlines from Silicon Valley's top companies and conversations with tech's biggest decision makers.
I suggest, Disney's going to do it right.
We're building a road to space. Is Uber going to accept crypto in the future? Absolutely.
The Bloomberg Technology Podcast. Subscribe today on Apple Podcasts, Spotify, or at Bloomberg.com.
Some bonds last a lifetime. Some bonds inspire confidence. And some you grow to rely on. These are the bonds worth investing in. For over 50 years, Ymca has reinvented fixed income to create opportunities for investors in every market environment. So no matter what happens, you can build the bonds that mean the most to you. Ymca, a global leader in active fixed income. Learn more at pimco.com/bonds. All investments contain risk and may lose value. Consult your investment professional before investing.
Now Bloomberg traffic and weather on the Belt Parkway. A new accident, this one eastbound at Merrick Boulevard. One lane is blocked. A heavy 40-minute delay back to the Van Wyck Expressway. On the Van Wyck, an accident cleared northbound at City Field, still slow from the LIE. Well, the ride on the Deacon is not perfect, but it's a lot better than it was. Northbound at the Temple, a 15-minute delay from Brook Avenue to the Cross Bronx. Manhattan, still some pretty heavy pockets of volume both sides of town, all the way on up. Holland Tunnel 20 out, 25 in from 1 and 9, 10 into the Turnpike. Only 10 minutes out right now, reported over at the Lincoln Tunnel, 5 minutes in. And still a bit of a slow go if you're trying to get over the George Washington Bridge. In sports, the Nets host Detroit tonight. Islanders go skating in Columbus. Rangers are in Pittsburgh. Exhibition baseball from this afternoon. The Yankees beat Philadelphia 14-2. Tonight, the Mets, they will play Miami. The Bloomberg 11:30 3-day weather. Tonight, partly cloudy, low near 30. Tomorrow, a chance of afternoon rain and snow showers. Highs near 45. Thursday, a chance of afternoon showers, but a huge difference with temperature. High 65 to 70 on Thursday. Friday, partly sunny. Look for a high to hover near 60. Right now in Central Park, skies are partly cloudy. Temperature 37.